So today's gonna be a bit of a controversial video. I did something that I promised I wouldn't do in the previous videos and on my streams, and now I did it. You guys may be like, Casper, what did you do? And I'll be talking about that in today's video. But before I get into it, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. The community is growing so fast, and I want to thank every single one of you who are watching my videos and supporting me. Thank you guys very much. Alright, so as you can see, my portfolio is down around 2.4% today. It's just because of the volatility of DRIP. It just keeps bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down. I still see potential of DRIP going up, and the controversial part was that I did do options. Dun dun dun. Yeah, that's right. So I'm going to be explaining this kind of complicated situation with options with you guys near the end of the video, so make sure you watch to the end. But before that, I'm going to be getting to what I traded, how I traded DRIP, and what are my plans for DRIP, and how I'm planning to profit on DRIP. So as you can see, it's down around 4% today. It has the usual volatility where one day it shoots up, one day it shoots down. It's normal. I get it. I didn't buy at the best price, and I'm just waiting for the bounce up. If I have to, I will cut my losses, but not yet. Definitely, I still see potential in it because DRIP is completely oversold, and it's looking to bounce back up. And Gush, the inverse of DRIP. For those who don't know, Gush is the inverse of DRIP. And they're both ETFs that track oil and gas. Gush is extremely overbought right here. It's usually the spot where it usually bounces down from. It's like the resistance point. But yeah, we just have to wait and see if this plays out in our direction. It's taking a bit longer than I thought it would, but I just have to be patient and see if it's... I don't want to cut my losses too early, and I don't want to take profits too late as well. So I'm just going to be updating you guys every day on this. But actually getting into the options part, well, I did buy a General Electric option call for, I think it's 2 or 3 weeks from now. It's the April 26th option. Let's see. I got $1 on this right now. It's not bad. Let's see. Yeah, the 426 call right here. I bought it at $15. It wasn't that expensive. And here's the complicated situation. Story time, kind of. So I have someone that contacted me on Discord where we're willing to exchange our knowledge, and he/she, I'm not sure if it's a he or she, but they're planning to mentor me on options a bit. I'm gonna see if I'm successful with it, and if I am, then I'll keep doing options. If I'm not, then I'll stay away in exchange for me mentoring them on Instagram growth and Instagram monetization and that kind of stuff. So right now was my first trade on GE. Supposedly it's supposed to go up tomorrow, and I saw it on the charts. This is the only reason I didn't just go off like impulse buy. I did some technical analysis on it, and it previously bounced around the area where it is at right now. So there's no reason why I can't do it again. And the bounce would be actually pretty profitable. And I think I can pull in maybe a 50% on this options trade. So that would be really helpful to my account growth. But I plan on learning options more and taking only trades that I'm super confident on, like 100%. I know you guys are going to be like, Casper, what are you doing? Chillax. I think I got the situation under control. Yeah, so I'm going to be just learning options. I'm going to probably simulation trade options for the most of it. But if there's something I'm really confident about, like this trade right here, plus it wasn't that expensive, a GE call at 16 cents, I was willing to take the risk, and I was feeling pretty confident about it. So I just took the little risk right here. I bought it, and we just have to wait and see tomorrow. I mean, of course, I'm hoping that it's going to go up, but we just have to wait and see, and I'll update you guys with that tomorrow. So that's just going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.